Okay, so the man who delivered the shock treatment to the Trinamool Congress, his party, the newsmaker, the man of the moment, Mr. Dinesh Trivedi is now with us. Mr. Trivedi, thank you very much for joining us on NDTV. My first question, we spoke to representatives of your political party, the TMC, and they say that if you are having so much ghutan, if you had so much suffocation, then you should have gone to a hospital. या बीजेपी को क्यों चले गए?
भाई उनको संस्कृति से कोई लेना देना नहीं होगा और उसीलिए इन सब चीज़ों का प्रयोग कर रहे हैं. उनकी बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है उनको, तो उनको उनकी राजनीति मुबारक. हर चीज़ को यदि वो हल्का ले रहे हैं तो जैसे शतरंज के खिलाड़ी में है ना, मुगलों ने संतुलन बख्श दी कि अंग्रेज जब तक आ गए तो कहते कि अभी कहाँ है, अभी तो बहुत दूर है, शतरंज खेलो ना. तो वो अपने दुनिया में रंगे हुए हैं, तो उनको अपनी दुनिया मुबारक. और दूसरी दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है उनको कुछ पता नहीं. उनको पता नहीं ये पार्टी हमने खुद बनाई है. 12 साल हमने अपना खून पसीना दिया है.
But Mr. Trivedi, what exactly was the tipping point, if I may ask?
Sanket, there is no tipping point. If you remember, on your show, when Naddaji's car was attacked, and you asked me that would you not like to condemn violence on political functionaries, I remember your question. I said, why political functionaries? Even for a common citizen, violence has no place in society, right?
Yeah.
After that, there are small-timer leaders. They called all our MPs and saying Dinesh Trivedi has backstabbed because they wanted me to say that it is all done by the Prime Minister, and they wanted me to abuse the Prime. And that's not my culture, no. Violence and corruption has no place, and unfortunately, they are shutting their eyes like ostrich. They don't realize what is the level of people's discontent on violence and on corruption. So they can have any phrase they want.
No,
That's good luck to them.
No, why don't you, Mr. Trivedi? I mean, I know the person, but for the benefit of our viewers, can you name this person that you're talking about?
Everybody knows, to the topmost leadership, I had told that this is what is happening. Nobody is bothered because they know that no point telling anybody. The moment you tell, you are a bad guy. So nobody tells nobody. And there is no forum where 5 of you talk about the country. That, okay, this farmer movement is going on. Is it good, bad, ugly? How do we do? What should be our strategy? How should we reach the farmer? वो कुछ नहीं होता है. हर चीज पॉलिटिकल लाइफ में हर चीज ऐसे नहीं चलती है. बहुत पॉलिटिक्स इज अ सीरियस अफेयर. You can't take things so lightly कि घुटन हो रही है तो हॉस्पिटल में जाओ. अब उनको यदि यही कहना है, वही दिखाता है कि पार्टी का हाल क्या है.
Okay. Mr. Trivedi, if you were to pinpoint now that you've resigned from your party, what exactly was wrong with the Trinamool Congress? Would you like to tell us? क्या गलत हो गया? You spoke about corporatization of the
पार्टी जो हमने बनाई थी अपने हाथों से, उस समय मुकुल रॉय भी थे. वो पार्टी की जो आत्मा है ना, वो चली गई. वो जैसे होता है ना कि एक कंपनी आउटसोर्स हो जाती है. तृणमूल कांग्रेस आज आउटसोर्स हो गया है और इस पार्टी को कंसल्टेंट्स चलाते हैं. पॉलिटिकल फंक्शनरीज इस पार्टी को नहीं चला रहे. तो आत्मा चली गई. और जब हम लोग 5,000 7,000 के लिए लड़ते थे, नहीं थे. आज सैकड़ों करोड़ों रुपए हम लोग दे रहे हैं कंसल्टेंट को. उस पे वो गरीबों में बांट दो, ज्यादा फायदा होगा आपको पॉलिटिकली और गरीबों का फायदा होगा. तो ये कल्चर, कॉर्पोरेट कल्चर नहीं चलता है. पॉलिटिक्स होती है आदमी के लिए. एक तरफ माँ माटी मानुष करते हो और दूसरी तरफ सैकड़ों करोड़ों रुपया आप फेंकते हो. ये नहीं चलता है. वायलेंस करते हो, करप्शन करते हो, ये नहीं चलता है.
Name that person. No, you're talking about Prashant Kishore, aren't you?
I don't take names. I don't know them. There could be many consultants. I don't take names.
Okay. Mr. Trivedi, my next question, we did a program right here on NDTV that the real tension began in March 2012 when you presented the rail budget, and within hours you were asked to resign by Mamata Banerjee. That you presented a rail budget but you couldn't see it through and you had to resign. Is that where it all started?
हाँ, बस तो वही है ना कि हमने वो बजट पेश किया था देश के लिए। उस दिन भी हमने कहा था आपके एनडीटीवी चैनल में, उस समय बरखा दत्त थी, मैंने कहा कि हमारे लिए देश सर्वोपरि है। और मैंने कहा था भगत सिंह ने अपनी जान दी तो रेलवे क्या होता है। रेलवे एक बहुत अच्छी मिनिस्ट्री है। वो उन्होंने पूछा कि आपको दुख नहीं हो रहा है रेलवे मंत्री छोड़ रहे हैं। मैंने कहा लोगों ने जान दी है देश के लिए, देश है तो रेलवे मंत्रालय है ना। मेरे लिए देश सर्वोपरि है और वायलेंस को हमने आज क्रिटिसाइज नहीं, हमेशा किया है। करप्शन के खिलाफ हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट गए हैं, वो मेरा रिकॉर्ड है। और नारदा में जब करप्शन हुआ तब हमने पार्टी को कहा था कि जितने भी दिखे वो अपने आप अपना बचाव करे, पार्टी का इसमें कुछ लेना देना नहीं होता है। तो ये जो स्मॉल टाइमर्स आए लीडर बन गए हैं ना, उन्होंने कहा नहीं 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 नहीं, हम लोग को पार्टी को बचाना है, ऐसे नहीं होता है। आप गांधी जी का नाम लेते हो तो सत्य का सामना भी करना सीखो।
Okay, Mr. Trivedi, what next? BJP? And as what?
I don't know. BJP, they are all very good friends and I think they are doing national work. Nobody is perfect. And at the moment, let everything sink into me. I have just done, this morning when I got up, I had no idea I'm going to resign in the afternoon. But this was in my mind. And I saw that there is no, at the end of the tunnel, there is another tunnel. There is no light. Then I said, why am I wasting my time here? And I'm feeling guilty that I can't even serve the people of Bengal with so much of violence and corruption. If I can't do anything, then I better get out of this scene. At least I've given them a free platform. They can appoint somebody else who think is much better, who doesn't have to go to hospital for suffocation.
Sure. No, but then, you know, Mr. Trivedi, you're trying to tell me that you have resigned without an offer letter. Do you know that even workers don't do this? Nobody resigns without an offer letter. Offer letter in hand.
You know something, Sanket, if I was looking for an offer, then I must be a mad guy to leave 5.5 years. I have been the railway minister, and on railway minister there can be only prime minister. And that job is not, there is no vacancy for many years to come at the moment.
Okay. Okay, Dinesh Trivedi, many thanks for joining us, and let's just see which way you actually go. But you seem to be speaking too much in favor of the BJP, so is that the party where you will be headed to? Thank you very much, Mr. Trivedi, for joining us on NDTV.